So we just arrived at the cooking class here in the middle of the rainforest in Khao National Park at Yu and Jim's farm, and it is one of the most incredible backdrops. If you look behind me, you can see the mountains just completely covered in clouds. And the first part of the class and the first mission of the class as well is to go throughout the farm and throughout their land and collect ingredients that we're going to be using to cook. So it doesn't get any fresher than this, so it should be interesting.
This is the lamb mint. This is our jungle mint. You cannot buy in the market. They grow in the This is turkey berry. We put in red curry later. The little eggplant, but it's quite strong flavor. You better try it after cook. You try it before cook, I think you get a little panic. I don't like. And then after cook, it tastes different. And I like to try the when it's good, not when it's not ready. But I like to eat them raw. I'm used to. I like to eat them raw, but I don't want to feed you raw. This is a coffee tree. This is Robusta coffee. Lower the 800 meter sea level, we only able to plant the Robusta, and upper 1000 meter sea level, they plant the America. Because Robusta, if you plant in high altitude, they're not flowering. Robusta, if you plant in high altitude, they don't flowering. Then that's why Robusta has to be a low land, America on higher land.
So we just finished picking our ingredients, which included some lemongrass, some very strong and very fresh basil, some coconut, with a bunch of other different ingredients, choy. Too many that I can actually remember, but now Jake and Emily are just grinding some coconuts away. It's probably going to be the most fresh meal I've ever ate in my life, and I'm very excited to try it. First thing that's on the block today is some red curry paste, part of the process. Now the one thing I wish I could share right now is the smell of everything. Everything smells so lemony and zesty and fresh, despite there being absolutely no lemons. That's through the lemongrass. Some of the basil is very lemon sort of scented and flavored and very sweet, and it smells fantastic.
Yeah. That become the banana.
So that's all like banana?
Yeah, this is the cover. We use it for cooking to make deep fry.
Wow.
To make tempura. But here, exactly a real fresh from tree. I mean this long bean. I don't think they already know they are off the tree. They not even know they are already off the tree. Yeah. They think they're still in the tree.
Every single ingredient from start to finish begins and ends on the farm. So this is as possibly fresh as you can possibly be. Very excited. It smells fantastic. Like I said before, if I could transport the smells into this video, I would. But there's no way that this video is actually going to do justice for how fresh and zesty everything smells, because it's quite incredible.
And it's soft, see? It's soft. And you put a little small one here. It's a small one. And then keep rolling down. Keep it rolling until you reach the right.
So those banana leaves that are stuffed into the bamboo full of rice are now on the fire, and that's how we're cooking up the rice. Fill up the bamboo with water, let them boil. Very interesting method of cooking. Excited to try it. Should be delicious considering everything is so fresh. Excited.
And then fried mixed vegetable with chicken, and then omelette. Omelette healthy. Okay? Yeah.
So on deck we have curry, we have the bamboo rice which has just been finished. We also have some fried banana peels, some other fried goods. We got some omelets made out of duck egg, a bunch of stuff I've never tried before. So again, should be interesting. Truly one of the more unique experiences I've had in terms of culinary adventures. Oh my god. These are so good. So in my banana leaf is the rice that was just steamed and boiled in the fire, which you saw probably from those B-roll shots. And you can just stuff some curry, some chicken, some whatever sort of sauce or veggies, and the omelet, the duck omelet, which this is the best meal I've had in Thailand so far. And it's not surprising considering how fresh every single ingredient is. We literally picked it with our own hands about 2 hours ago. And you know what? How do you guys feel about it?
Delicious. Never want to finish this meal.
So just finishing off here on the cooking class, which was one of the best experiences of my travels. I cannot recommend this enough. So if you are in Khao Sok National Park, come and check out Jim and Yu's cooking class. Everything is as fresh as it can possibly be, as delicious as it can possibly taste, and I've had a really good time here. I'm not typically the type of person that would do cooking classes, but this exceeded every expectation that I possibly had. So, and this is coming from the most genuine place I can provide. So really, I couldn't be more pleased and happy and content. We're the nicest people, live in the most beautiful place, and serve the most delicious food. So, till next time.